Hello future trailblazers of UPS. I am Dr. Nishant Mishra, the Dean of Student Welfare, and today I'm here to give you a sneak peek into the heartbeat of our campus, which is the student support, activities and fests that we do from the office which is fondly called as the DSW office. Let's start with Urja, our legendary inter-university cultural extravaganza. Imagine this, a week of electrifying performances, competitions, and guess what? We bring in a celebrity artist to rock the stage. It's the festival where you showcase your talent and make unforgettable memories. And then there is Spandan, a festival unlike any other in the world. Here, faculty, staff, and students join forces, forming teams to compete in sports and cultural events. It's a blend of competition, camaraderie, and fun that brings the entire university together in a way you've never ever seen before. But wait, there's more. At the DSW office, it's all about exploring your passions. Whether it's jamming out in the music club, Saptak, or dancing to the tunes of Talsaran, a dance club, capturing moments in the photography club, Pratibimb, or diving into the world of literature through Avishkarnam, we've got a club for you. These clubs are your playground to learn, grow, and shine. Let's talk about our DSW ambassadors. This is an elite team of students handpicked to work directly with me and the DSW office. They are the masterminds behind events, the leaders in managing fests, and the go-to volunteers. If you've got the drive and passion, becoming a DSW ambassador is your ticket to leadership and making a real impact on campus. At the DSW office, we are there to connect with you, support you, and make sure your time at UPS is filled with the opportunities and experiences that shape your future. Whether it's through cross-functional activities, school events, or just having a chat, we've got your back. The tagline of our office is Aao Baat Kare. Let's talk. So get ready to dive in, get involved, and make the most of your journey with us. Welcome to UPS, where your adventure begins. See you on campus.